Hello and welcome to HELiOS ShortClip. As of the new HELiOS and the deriving function via model structure, now also nested dependent parts are shown and can be overtaken if desired. In addition, dependencies are identified via parameter references. Thus, the user gains full control in terms of derivation of all the references of the assemblies. So what does that mean? Here we have an assembly. As an example, this assembly contains these bottom cover dependent parts. More precisely, it contains back IPT and front IPT. We do have the same in the assembly upper cover. In addition, we have a fx parameter here, which refers to base IPT to this opening angle. Now, if we want to transfer this assembly to HELiOS with a new version, we see the fx parameter here too. And we see it with the bottom cover that, for example, the dependent parts, and also with upper cover, we see the dependent parts as well, which also lie in different levels. Now we transfer all components to HELiOS. So now we can have a look at the components on the HELiOS side. This means that also here we do see bottom cover plus IAM plus both referenced parts which have been identified and created. Coming to the fx parameter, which has been taken over too, we load the base IPT and we would change the fx there, for instance to 300. We check it in and refresh the existing assembly. The angle changed and opened respectively, as we can see. The same applies to the derivation via model structure. There the dependent parts are being shown as well and can be selected for derivation. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.